শিলিস এডুকেশন সেন্টারে সকলকে স্বাগত। আজকে ক্লাসে থাকছে ওয়ান লাইন এমসিকিউ ক্লাস 29। যারা আমার চ্যানেলে নতুন তারা আগের ভিডিওগুলো দেখে নেবে, যেটা ক্লাস 1 থেকে 28 পর্যন্ত হয়েছে। আজকে শুরু হচ্ছে ক্লাস 29। 701. Who were the discoverers of Kalibanga, an important archaeological site of Harappan civilization? A. Ghosh and B. Thapar. 702. Where is Balakota, an important site of Harappan civilization located in Balochistan? 703. What is the largest and smallest district of West Bengal? The largest district is South 24 Parganas. The smallest district is Kolkata. 704. Which river in West Bengal is called tidal river? The Hooghly River. 705. Where did the first Indian airport suburb develop? Andal in Durgapur. 706. In which state the ratio of men to women is not in favor of women? Haryana. 707. Why is the Shillong Declaration important for the Right to Information Act? 708. When did the Santal Rebellion happen? In 1855. 709. Who was Todarmal? A revenue expert in the royal court of Mughal Emperor Akbar. 710. What was the name of the US joint operation against Osama bin Laden? Operation Neptune Spear. 711. Who was the Prime Minister of India when India gained independence? Clement Attlee. 712. What are the special features of laterite soil? It is rich in iron. 713. Where has the Joint Forest Conservation Project been successful in West Bengal? In the village of Arabari in Midnapur. 714. Which is the first UN body to accept Palestine as a full member? UNESCO. 715. What is one of the functions of the International Monetary Fund? To balance the exchange rates of different currencies. 716. Whom does the British Parliament call the great-grandfather of politics? Dadabhai Nauroji. 717. Which football team owned the first IFS Shield? Royal Irish Rifle. 718. What is laundry soap? A mixture of sodium salts of high fatty acid nature. 719. What is the name of the newly discovered constant form of carbon? Buckminster fluorine. 720. What is myopia? An eye disease in which near vision is fine but distant vision is impaired. 721. Which Indian state is leading in digitizing land information? Madhya Pradesh first, West Bengal, Orissa, Maharashtra. 722. ICC 2021 February. Who is the best male player? Ravichandran Ashwin. 723. According to the Economic Freedom Index, what is the position of India? 21st. 724. At the time of independence, most of the production and livelihood depended on which industry? Jute weaving. 725. What was the amount of foreign control in the tea industry at the time of independence? 65%. 726. When is World Kidney Day celebrated? What is the main point? On the second Thursday of March, its main message is to live without kidney disease. 727. What is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir? Srinagar is the summer capital and Jammu is the winter capital. 728. Who is the author of the book The Frontier Gandhi, My Life and Struggle? Imtiaz Ahmed Sahibzada. English translation of Autobiography of Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. 729. Player Rohit Sharma is the brand ambassador of which company? Glenmark Pharma Company. 730. Which cricketer won the Khel Ratna 2020 award? Rohit Sharma. 731. Which bill was recently introduced by the Chief Minister of Haryana? Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar brought a 75% reservation bill for the people of the state in the private sector. 732. Dust League 2. Which two countries jointly conducted military exercises? India and Uzbekistan. 733. Who established the Bank of Baroda? On July 20, 1908, the third Sayajirao Gaikwad established this bank. 734. Where is the first forest healing center of India? In Uttarakhand. 735. What is the year of 2021 IPL? 14th. 736. Which team has owned the most IPL so far? Mumbai Indians. 737. When was the RBI nationalized? In 1949. 738. Which Mughal ruler donated land for the construction of the Golden Temple at Amritsar? Akbar. 739. Who is the first astronaut to go to space twice? Gordon Cooper, USA. 740. Which country is known as the land of the Golden Pagoda? Myanmar. 741. What is the joint field in the industry? Coordination of public and private sectors. 742. The first census of India was conducted during the rule of which British ruler? At the time of Lord Ripon. 743. Who was the first judge of the Supreme Court? Sir Eliza Impey. 744. Who was the leader of Rangpur Rebellion? Narayan. 745. What is the disease of the respiratory organs in the human body? Bronchitis. 746. What kind of food does saliva specially help in digestion? Protein. 747. What is NAFED? National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India Limited. 748. What is the most powerful solar system in the sun? Solar Energetic Particles or SEP. 749. What is the name of the International Science Research Journal? Science Advance. 750. Who awarded the Baton of Honor and to whom? Indian President Ramnath Kovind presented the award to the former Lieutenant Governor Mrs. Kiran Bedi. এই ছিল আজকের কয়েকটি প্রশ্ন। আগের ভিডিওগুলো আশা করি তোমরা ভালো করে পড়ছো এবং প্রতিকটা ভিডিওই ঠিকঠাক ফলো করবে। আমি কিন্তু এখানে একটা কম্বাইন দিচ্ছি, বিভিন্ন সাবজেক্ট মিলিয়ে মিশিয়ে কম্বাইন করে তোমাদের জন্য সেট অফ কোয়েশ্চেন্স করা হচ্ছে। কাজে এগুলো একদমই জমিয়ে রাখবে না, পরপর পড়ে নেবে। প্রথমেই যারা আজকে আমার চ্যানেলে নতুন তাদের বলছি, চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দিও, বেল আইকনটাকে প্রেস করে দিও, যাতে যখনই নতুন আমার কোনো ভিডিও বেরোবে তোমরা সেটা সঙ্গে সঙ্গে পেয়ে যাবে। আশা করি সবটুকুই তোমাদের কাছে বোধগম্য হচ্ছে এবং প্রতিকটা এপিসোডই তোমাদের কাছে অনেক ইউজফুল হচ্ছে। তাহলে আজকে এই পর্যন্ত। ভিডিওটি দেখার জন্য ধন্যবাদ। ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে লাইক, কমেন্ট, শেয়ার করো। নতুন আপডেট পেতে চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করো, বেল আইকনটি ক্লিক করো। সব সময় এই চ্যানেলের সঙ্গে থাকো।